Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best culinary experiences from around the world. Today, we're diving into the world of Around the World in Flavors, a cooking show that takes you on a global gastronomic journey. So, let's get started. Around the World in Flavors is a unique cooking show that showcases the diverse culinary traditions of different countries. Each episode takes you on a culinary adventure, where you'll learn about the history, culture, and flavors of a specific region. The show is hosted by a talented chef who not only prepares the dishes but also shares fascinating insights into the local cuisine. One of the standout features of Around the World in Flavors is the use of fresh, authentic ingredients. The show emphasizes the importance of using the best ingredients to create the most flavorful dishes. Whether it's fresh seafood from the coasts of Japan, spices from the markets of India, or fresh herbs from the Mediterranean, the show highlights the importance of using quality ingredients. Another aspect that makes Around the World in Flavors a must-watch is the attention to detail. The show not only teaches you how to cook the dishes but also provides tips on presentation, plating, and garnishing. This attention to detail ensures that your final dish not only tastes amazing but also looks stunning. Around the World in Flavors is not just about cooking, it's also about exploring the world through food. Each episode takes you on a journey to a new country, where you'll learn about the local culture, traditions, and history. The show provides a unique perspective on the world, and it's a great way to learn about different cultures and their culinary traditions. If you're a food lover and enjoy exploring different cuisines, Around the World in Flavors is a show you don't want to miss. It's a fantastic way to learn about new dishes, ingredients, and cooking techniques from around the world. Thank you for joining us today on our culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and culinary experiences. Until next time, happy cooking!